Hi, this is a video to show you some of the export options within Google Analytics in Confluence. So if you go over here and you can export to a variety of different things. So we can export to PDF and that will open up as a PDF as so, and you can see some of the details there. That's one thing. We also have export to CSV and that generally opens up as a CSV like so. We've also got this new bit which is export to Excel. You can see within Excel, you can see the details there. So that's kind of neat. But what if we have drill down? So here you can see we have the top people here, and if I expand everybody, we can also see the content for each of those people. So how does export work for this? So with export to CSV, it just shows you the top people, but with export to Excel, it does something else. And we can open that up and we can see the first tab is the top people. You can see the various different types of people. And the second tab is the top content, but for the first person there. And you can see different tabs for different people. So if we can go over here, we can see David Simpson, and you can see the various bits of content, or we can see anonymous users, and we can see the content that they've been looking at. So that's the export options, especially the export to Excel. Thanks.